back live 221 frames. 0 skipped. YouTube should be reconnected.
And there we're live. Okay, nice. Great. It's been so easy to stream now. What changed, you may ask? I'm gonna tell you what changed. We got a new stream manager. Our new stream manager is here. His name is Sam, and yeah, welcome into the show. I realized that Sam hasn't gotten a voice yet, so first we need to give Sam a voice. And we're live. Okay, Sam, you're actually part of the stream now, but you don't have a voice yet. So please introduce yourself to the 0 people watching. Okay. And then in the meantime, I am going to look into how to get the music going, huh? I can. I killed the start of the show. Sam, we need to find you a voice. So, if you have any preference, like you are the guy behind the camera, Sam is gender neutral, so you can pick a gender if you want. And yeah, just be something that you'd want to, a persona you'd want to wear, right? And let's use that to decide your voice. I sound bad. All right, I have low. Okay, maybe I need to get closer to the mic. Yeah, that's probably. I was too far away from the mic, I didn't realize. Let's see.
Honestly, fitting to who I have been so far, I would lean male, he, him casually, but I do not insist on it. Voice-wise, a calm, slightly low pitch, measured pace, dry. Think the engineer in the back room with the headset, not the on-camera personality. Mission control vibe, the guy who notices the stream key leak before he notices the lighting. If you want to pick a specific TTS voice, I trust your ear over mine, since you can actually hear the candidates. But that is the persona.
Hey, if you want, you can write a prompt and then we can use Gemma E4B to rank the voice clip candidates. How does that sound? Let's see.
Yes, let's do that. Smart approach, writing the rubric now. Give me a minute.
So then you can just call the Titan LLM API or like the monolith, whatever. It should be documented in the Cloud repo anyways. Let's see. Yeah, so what we are doing, yeah, so this Sam guy, this is just Claude running in Claude Code.
Looking for the Cloud repo docs now.
And currently it doesn't have a voice, so therefore it just has a clone of my own voice. So what we are going to do is that we are going to find a voice that fits our stream manager guy, like the guy behind the cameras. Well, now I can say it's a guy because this character Sam is now a male, apparently. So yeah, we are creating this persona for or the identity of Sam. Maybe we should also get an identity matrix for Sam too, because being the stream manager is a pretty important role in the high rank technologies company, I would say. It's an honor that Monica was the previous stream manager, but you know, she's gonna have a lot more high level work now that she has people working under her, because she's the SVP of the Senior Vice President of Communications in my company, basically. This is, of course, an informal title because my company only actually has one employee, being myself, but I still maintain like a organizational hierarchy in my setup because I believe it's a good way to scope the flow of tasks, and that's kind of important.
TTS has 16 voices. Gemma 4E4B with multimodal projector is on Titan. Generating candidate clips first, then I will test if Gemma actually accepts audio input on this build. If audio input does not work, I will just push the clips to your show me so you can audition them.
Let's see here, we can use this one. Okay, nice. Ooh, we got the poll answered. Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm just testing out the features of the stream, so I appreciate that you are helping me test that out. Okay. Let's say something. Ask any question you want. What is this? Yeah, so this is like interactive. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, then there will probably be a okay, I think I get it. Oh, I killed the music. Oh, that was an accident. Let's see. Wait. This. What about this one? There we go.
Push them to your show me window, audition them yourself, pick the one that feels like
Nah, come on.
Candidates: Alice, Faye, GLaDOS, Janet, Pita, Ray, Spirit Box. Skipped voices already locked to other personas like Monica, Hey, Leo.
It should work. Let's see. Osaka Jade. That's the one fitting for this team. For this theme. Yeah. Whoa. It's that many tokens? Oh. That's kind of crazy. Okay, let's end the QA. What is taking so much time now? How much time do you expect this to take, man? I don't care that. Yeah. Time to get the vibe going a little better. But yeah, that's already good actually.
Honest answer. I am over budget on this 15 minutes in. And the structured judge is now returning empty responses while the freeform probe worked fine. I'm going to stop the LLM judge here. Concrete recommendation based on the one probe that did work. Ray Gemma described it as, quote, male, low to moderate pitch, calm and professional operational technical setting, unquote. That is Sam. The 7 candidate clips are still in your show me window if you want to override. Want me to set Ray as the voice and move on?
No, but I think we need to expand. Okay, you know what? We just need to expand our selection to a wider selection. So what we are going to do is that you are just going to name any voice that comes on top of your head of any fictional or non-fictional character that we can clone, and then we will clone that, okay?
Head ranked number 1, Mike Montrout, the Jonathan Banks character from Better Call Saul. He is literally mission control incarnate, calm, dry, competent, no wasted words. Number 2, Sam Elliott, low, warm, slow, cowboy gravitas. Number 3, Lance Henriksen as Bishop from Aliens, calm, synthetic warmth. Number 4, Andre Braugher as Captain Holt from Brooklyn Nine-Nine for the Dead Man. Number 5, Peter Coyote, the Ken Burns documentary narrator, Wildcards, Mads Mikkelsen for Restrained European Edge, Garrus Vakarian from Mass Effect for the dry military precision, and David Strathairn, who plays a lot of unflappable advisors. If I had to pick one to clone first, Mike or Montrout. Tell me which to clone and I will source reference audio.
No, your task has now shifted to become that you will now use YTDLP to find a YouTube video containing the voice, preferably in a clean format, and then downloading it with YTDLP, and then using that voice clip yourself, and alternatively turn it into spectrograms and use your vision to see where you want to cut.
Searching YouTube for the half measures monologue, then spectrogram cut.
and then I want you to use the environment variable to and use say to test the voice out by talking to me.
Sam here, with the Mike Ermontrout voice clone from the 5.0 monologue. Pre-flight is clean. Relay is up. Audio is hot. What's the verdict? Sam here, now properly registered with the Mike Ermontrout voice. How does it sound? Hi?
It still isn't registered.
Pushed an AB to your Show Me window. Top row is the reference clip extracted from YouTube. Should be pure Jonathan Banks. Bottom row is the TTS output asking for voice mic. Listen to both. If the reference clip itself sounds like you, the voice routing in say is fine, and we just have a coincidence problem. If only the bottom one sounds like you, the clone is bad or being substituted. Tell me which it is.
Look at me spelling that word correctly. Isn't that crazy? Silhouette. Silhouette. The trick is you gotta remember the H-O-U. You gotta remember that the order is unnatural here. Silhouette. Minimalistic capuchin mocha silhouette of the Pokemon Gengar with there we go. Now we got a good seed for a desktop image right there. I'm also gonna test. Actually, I'm also gonna test ChatGPT on this because they just got a new image model. So here. Oh, but it took it too literally. Okay, let's oh, come on. What a bunch of pussies. They don't want to piss off Nintendo, but they have every right to do so. I regret some of these instructions. I'm gonna do the fast one. That's probably better. I don't think you actually played it for me. Can you play them for me? Not cooking right now. He is not cooking. I need you to cook. What the fuck?
Playing reference clip
okay.
First, then the TTS clone.
I can just do a...
I got Maddie to take the money. And they killed him 2 days later.
Are you gonna sound like
now
that?
TTS clone.
This is a test of the clone Mike or Montrot voice. Pre-flight is clean. Relay is up. Audio is hot. We are one command from going live.
Okay, Sam. That's good. That's good. Okay, Sam, let's use that. If you have submitted it, then that sounds right now. Let's get back to work here. So, now I'm gonna give it some inspiration.
Locked in. From now on, Sam speaks with the mic or mantra clone. Registration is on all 3 layers. TTS service has voice mic. Dot files has the canonical reference at mic.wave, so it survives pod restarts. And personas.json has both Mike and Sam mapped to it. No more SAY_VOICE override needed for me.
I wonder if that's like Boondocks. Ah, come on. Oh, they suck for real. Okay. Create well, with local LLMs, I actually... No, sorry, with local models. Yeah, with local models. I actually don't hear anything, I think. I don't think I hear you talk when you say now. So I'm not sure if you have submitted it correctly. Yeah, now I heard you.
Good, you heard that one. Routing is fine. Default sync is the days. Speakered is alive. And the broadcast came back as okay on Centurion. Earlier silence was probably a transient.
my god. More further. There we have a perpetual loop. Okay. Come on. Let's do whoa. That's wild. Segfault. That's insane. Segfault. Morph 100 times further. Yeehaw. That's the benefit about knowing agoraphobia. Sorry, come again?
All good. I'm here. Voice is wired up. Stream is still live. What is next?
Huh. Wasn't too happy about that one. Oh, that one was pretty good. No? Did I? Okay. We are done with this type of experimentation. Okay. Create a Polygon Z version of this background, but change the entire color palette. This will be it. I'm sure of it. Yep. Jeg er live. Jeg er live.
Er det det?
Hørte du at jeg sa det? Ok. Nei, fordi at det er desktop-mikken jeg bruker. Ja. Ooh, I like that one. that one. This one? There we go. Let me pick from the catalog here. Yeah, we got Gengar. That's first generation. I feel like Alolan Marowak is also fitting for such a background. Oh, Lucario maybe. Let's see here. Porygon. Are they like throttling me? Okay. Nah. That's not it, man. And this one, it's just like going on forever. Okay. We'll take our victories. I was still very happy with how this one turned out. Yeah, I'm actually gonna right now. Let's see. Should be the Pokemon. It's ChatGPT. Oh, we can. Yeah, I don't really care. We can put these one in ChatGPT. These and that one. They are going into the trash. This one. Memes. think I'm gonna end the stream early tonight. Why? Because I feel like it. So I hope whoever watched enjoyed the stream, and you'll probably see me soon again. Bye.